In this video, I will guide you how to type color text in Once Human chat. Once Human has 6 preset colors you can use right way. Just type the pound sign followed by the color code, then your text. Let's say if you type pound sign then G, the text will show in green color. Similarly, if you type pound sign and R, then the text will show in red color. Pound sign W shows white, pound sign Y shows yellow, pound sign B shows blue, and lastly, pound sign K shows black text. Let's say if you type pound sign G hello and pound sign K there, it will display hello in green and there in black. If you want any color beyond the 6 built-in ones, you can use hex color codes. Use the command #KC to tell the game you are using a custom color. Get a hex color code from the websites like htmlcolorcodes.com or color-hex.com. Copy the 6-digit hex code without the pound sign symbol. Type the following command in chat. Example, if you want neon pink, type #KCFF00FF. This is neon pink. Now your text will appear in neon pink. You can mix multiple colors with a single message. This will make each letter a different color. Or if you want each word in different color, this will display in different color. So that's how you can type in color text in Once Human chat. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.